If you want, we can go to the next step, but as I know, a lot of Keshe Foundation followers around the world know what they're going to do. We teach everybody the same till we see tomorrow. If you made anything, you can show us. What you need to do at this stage, once you made it, you have to make the springs nano-coated, which they become like this. Black, you know they're totally nano-coated. And then you put the smaller one inside it. So now you have two sets inside each other. And then you have a twist of the first one to go through it. So what you achieve is a simple coil. Inside a coil, 70 to 80 turn or 150 to 180 turn. The biggest problem for you and the biggest expense for you will be the copper. The copper costs for each unit anything between 50 to 100 euro. Depends on the purity, depends on the volume and everything else. This is the main cost of production. Does not matter if you're in China, you're here, or anywhere in the world, copper more or less has the same value for the wire. And it sticks to that kind of prices as we see worldwide. Then, how to get to this from this? This is very simple. With this, we have developed a process called nano-coating. To do that, to make a nanomaterial, if you go to the present market and buy nanomaterial, they charge you a fortune. You can do yourself with what we call a soda caustic. What this is, you have this. This is what it is. If you don't know what name it is, you get the toilet blocked, you have a barbecue you want to clean up, you go and buy yourself a caustic soda to unplug the toilet, to clean the mesh of the barbecue. That's what it is. You put a very little amount of it at the bottom of a box, and then you put your coils in a way that they don't get to the bottom, but they hang in it. But it has to be fully covered, that when you put the water in it, you fill it up till the wires are covered with a boiling hot water. It creates the steam. Be careful with your lungs, with your hands, with your face, of the kickback of the steam of the caustic. You don't burn.